Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to the Rusty Toolbox. It's been a little while since I've posted, mostly because I don't really have any projects going on right now. But I've still got the BMW 540. Had some funny things happen over the last little bit. Let me tell you about them. Alright, so since the last time I made a video about this car, I've replaced the water pump. So we got a new water pump in there, got some new lines. This cover is off right now because there was a bunch of water in here, because that line, it might be hard to see, there it is, back in there, actually tore and was squirting water all over in the inside here. I was driving around town and I thought I blew a head gasket, to be honest, because I was dumping water everywhere. And the car was heating up and it was misfiring, and I thought, oh, that's the end of this car. But luckily, I got home and found that it was just that hose back there that needed to be repaired. Got those all cleaned out and dried up, so now there's no more misfire. But still have a check engine light for bad fuel trim. And the likely culprit is this mass airflow sensor. So I'm going to be replacing the MAF right now. And then I have a question for you guys in terms of the next little project that I might want to do. There's a little bit of room down there. Maybe we'll do some kind of forced injection. I'm not sure. Well, let's get that MAF replaced first. Alright, pretty much a straight swap out, not difficult at all. Got a new, I don't even know what they call it, the side cover on. Gonna go grab the top cover, the plastic top cover, put that back on. Now that we don't have any more misfires, and then let's see if that cleared up our fuel trim issue. Alright, car's running. Got that new MAF in there. Seems actually like it's making a difference already. The idle speed before was, it was idling at like 450, 500 RPM, and now it's pretty steady at like 600, 650 RPM, which is I think where it's supposed to be. No stutters or anything, just letting it warm up. So, my big question is, should I put a supercharger on this thing? ECS Tuning sells it's called, I think, a VTEC or a V something supercharger for these motors. And to stock, this thing's pretty stock. I've got an air filter and a muffler delete, but other than that, it's stock. They dyno about 250 horsepower to the wheels, about the same amount of torque, maybe a little more torque. So the question is, for 100 extra horsepower and about 120 more torque, should I spend the $6,000 for that bolt-in supercharger? Or should I do something else? I'm really not sure. I'm kind of up in the air on it. I could sell it and get a new project car, or I could just keep working on this and hold on to this 540i, which I kind of am falling in love with and don't really want to sell. It's hard to find a V8 rear-wheel drive manual anywhere, let alone for a decent price. So what should I do? Should I supercharge this thing? Should I sell it? Should I go twin turbo? I don't know, but I think it's time to start thinking about what we can do to this car. Hit me up in the comments, let me know what you think, and as always, thanks for watching, and Stay tuned, subscribe. We'll see you next time.